You are going to love the 2019 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, speed control, FWD, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.